Welcome back to Drive Smart. Today we're taking a look at the 2025 Malibu SS concept, Chevrolet's bold take on a modern performance sedan. Let's jump right in. The 2025 Malibu SS stands out with its aggressive yet sleek design. The wide blacked-out grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted body lines give it a sporty, modern vibe. It's clear that Chevrolet wanted this car to make a statement. Performance-wise, the Malibu SS doesn't disappoint. Under the hood is a 2.7-liter turbocharged engine pushing 310 horsepower and 350 lb-feet of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic, it offers smooth acceleration and sharp handling, perfect for those who enjoy a spirited drive. Inside, it's all about technology. The 12-inch digital gauge cluster and 15-inch infotainment touchscreen are at the heart of the cabin, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Bose premium audio system for a top-notch experience. The Malibu SS also packs advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control, ensuring you're safe while enjoying the ride. With its blend of performance, style, and tech, the 2025 Malibu SS is a solid option for those who want a sporty sedan without sacrificing comfort. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on Drive Smart. See you next time.